Even if you have no computer skills, creating a YouTube channel is straightforward. YouTube's user-friendly interface is designed to be accessible to everyone. By 2024, there might be slight changes in the interface or process, but the basic steps should remain similar to those outlined below. Step-by-step guide to create a YouTube channel. Google account. If you don't have a Google account, you'll need to create one. This account will give you access to all of Google's services, including YouTube. Go to YouTube. Once you're signed into your Google account, head to YouTube's homepage. Profile icon. On the top right corner, you'll see a profile icon or your image if you've set one. Click on it. Your channel. From the drop-down, click on Your Channel. Create channel. If you haven't created a channel before, you will be prompted to create one. Click on the Create Channel or Set up your channel on YouTube button. Name your channel. You'll be prompted to give your channel a name. This can be your personal name or a custom name if you're creating a brand or business channel. Channel art. Customize your channel by adding a profile picture, cover photo, known as channel art, and a description. While this step involves some graphics, you can use basic tools like Canva or even mobile apps designed for this purpose to create simple and appealing images. Privacy settings. Go to the Settings option, usually represented by a gear icon, and adjust your privacy settings, notifications, and other preferences as needed. Customize channel. YouTube allows further customization where you can add sections, featured channels, and more. Upload videos. When you're ready, click the camera icon, usually on the top right, and select Upload Video. Follow the prompts to select your video, add a title, description, and tags. Choose your video's thumbnail, set your audience, like Made for Kids or not, and then click Publish. Engage. Respond to comments, engage with your audience, and continue uploading content regularly. Tips for those with no computer skills. Tutorials. YouTube itself is a great resource for learning. There are countless tutorials on how to create and manage a YouTube channel. Simply search for How to Create a YouTube Channel 2024 or similar terms. Mobile devices. If you're more comfortable with a smartphone or tablet, you can create and manage your YouTube channel using the YouTube app.